everyone, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be all about how to make these really yummy 5-ingredient strawberry shortcake stacks. So if you want to see that, continue watching. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I post vlogs and DIYs just like this one. So if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to click that little subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. You're going to start out by taking strawberries cut into fourths and then pouring 1/4 of a cup sugar onto them. Then mix the sugar around until the strawberries are evenly coated. You're going to want to make sure all these strawberries are evenly coated, and then you're just going to let this sit for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. After that, then you're going to take your puff pastry and then cut it evenly into 9 pieces. By the way, these don't have to be perfect. Here are all my puff pastries laid out, and we're going to pop these in the oven for 15 minutes. Now comes my favorite part, the whipping cream. We're going to pour 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into our mixer and then mix it until soft peaks form. This is how your whipping cream should look. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. Mix this all in. Adding vanilla is optional, and I usually choose not to. Here is the finished product of the whipped cream. Now it's time to make our actual shortcake. So we're going to start off by taking our puff pastry and cutting it in half. Then we're going to take some whipped cream and then just spread it on there. I like to be really generous with the whipped cream. And we're going to repeat this step with the next half. Then we're just going to put some strawberries on the first half that we put whipped cream on. Close this up like a sandwich. And then repeat these steps on the top of the sandwich or the strawberry shortcake stack. We are now done. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what I should do next. Bye guys, see you in my next video.